The origin of smoothies can be traced back to different periods and places, reflecting the evolution of blended fruit drinks over time. Early history, ancient cultures. The concept of blending fruits and liquids can be seen in various ancient cultures. For example, Mediterranean and Indian cultures have long enjoyed drinks made from fruits, yogurt, and honey. South America. Indigenous people in South America have been blending fruits and fruit juices for centuries. The practice of mixing fruits with liquids is a traditional method for creating refreshing beverages. 20th century development, 1920s-1930s. The advent of the electric blender in the early 20th century significantly contributed to the modern smoothie. In the 1920s and 1930s, health food stores and ice cream shops began offering blended fruit drinks. 1940s-1950s. The concept of smoothies gained popularity in the United States during the 1940s and 1950s, particularly with the rise of health-conscious eating and the availability of blenders in households. Modern smoothie, 1960s. The term smoothie was popularized in the 1960s, particularly in health food stores on the West Coast of the United States. During this time, smoothies were often associated with the health food movement, emphasizing fresh fruits, vegetables, and natural ingredients. 1970s present. The smoothie trend continued to grow, with the 1970s seeing the establishment of smoothie bars and the introduction of commercial smoothie mixes. By the 1990s and 2000s, smoothies had become mainstream, with a wide variety of flavors, ingredients, and health-focused formulations. Global influence. Smoothies are now a global phenomenon, influenced by regional ingredients and culinary traditions. From tropical fruit smoothies in the Caribbean to green smoothies in health-conscious urban areas, the variations are endless. In summary, smoothies have a rich history rooted in various cultural practices of blending fruits and liquids, evolving significantly in the 20th century with technological advancements and the rise of health food movements. Smoothies can offer numerous health benefits, particularly when made with nutritious ingredients. Here are some of the key health benefits. Nutrient-dense, vitamins and minerals. Smoothies made with fruits and vegetables are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. For example, a smoothie with spinach and berries provides vitamins C and K, as well as iron and calcium. Antioxidants. Many fruits and vegetables are high in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Berries, in particular, are known for their high antioxidant content. Fiber-rich, digestive health. Smoothies that include whole fruits, vegetables, and seeds can be high in dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Satiety. The fiber content in smoothies helps keep you feeling full longer, which can aid in weight management and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Hydration. Fluid intake. Smoothies contribute to your daily fluid intake, especially when made with a liquid base such as water, milk, or juice, helping to keep you hydrated. Balanced blood sugar levels. Glycemic control, including protein, for example, yogurt, protein powder, and healthy fats, for example, avocado. Nuts in your smoothies can help balance blood sugar levels and prevent spikes. Weight management. Low-calorie meal option. When made with the right ingredients, smoothies can be a low-calorie, nutrient-dense meal or snack option that supports weight loss or maintenance. Boosted immune system. Immune support. Ingredients like citrus fruits, ginger, and leafy greens contain vitamins and phytonutrients that support the immune system, helping to fend off illnesses. Improved energy levels. Natural energy. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and healthy carbohydrates found in smoothies can provide a natural energy boost without the crash associated with caffeine or sugary snacks. Muscle recovery. Protein for recovery. Smoothies that include protein-rich ingredients can aid in muscle recovery and repair after exercise, making them a great post-workout option. Customizable nutrition. Personalized nutrition. Smoothies can be tailored to meet individual nutritional needs. Whether you're looking to increase protein intake, boost your fruit and vegetable consumption, or address specific health concerns like boosting immunity or improving digestion. Convenience, easy to prepare. Smoothies are quick and easy to make, providing a convenient way to consume a variety of nutrients, especially for those with busy lifestyles. To maximize the health benefits of smoothies, it's important to focus on using whole, minimally processed ingredients and to avoid added sugars and artificial ingredients. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification